Stuck. I'm absolutely stuck. This is a little glimpse of my story. So, I am making content even though I don't get likes, even though I don't get views, just because I love it. And the second biggest reason, or the main reason, is it gives me peace by escaping me from the reality. This is giving me like such a peace of mind that I can't explain. I make content because I want to escape from my life, which I am currently in. I am stuck in my life. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go. So I'm pursuing my bachelor's in my hometown itself, which I hate. Absolutely hate. I wanted to go out. The first person I met in my college, I asked her the question, why didn't you go out? This is the thing. I love my family, but I hate my family for the fact they did not let me go out. My family is good. They are cool, they are generous. But the fact that they are overprotective is the what I hate. Like, I swear to God or not, the day I start earning money, I will leave my house. This is fixed in my mind somehow. I have, well, I will have enough money that I can go out and live on rent. I will prefer that. I will just move the fucking out. I don't care whatever they tell me. I just wanna go fucking out. I hate my family for the fact that they are overprotective. And this is making me sad and it is ruining my mental health. Like, I don't know what. Because I dreamed of going out from a very low standard and still they did not let me. You know, that's why I'm focusing on earning money so hard because I just want to leave. Being female and freedom and leaving your house is all connected. My friends moved to Bombay, Bangalore, and all the cool cities. And they did not have all those family issues like I had. I had fight a lot, like a fucking lot. I still remember how loud I shouted. It was clearly audible in my neighborhood. That is how I shouted. I swear, the day I go out for my masters, the reason they gave me to stay here was that I could go out for masters to abroad. The day I am going out for masters, I'm never coming back to my household. I know this video is very rude, arrogant, but I don't care. These are my feelings, which I wanted to just burst out. There are some things which is only understandable by me, and I know a lot of girls could relate to me. But these family people and all the millennials would not understand me. They don't get these things in their mind. That's it. I'm hurt by the fact that I'm in my hometown, in my house itself. I just hate my house. I completely hate people being overprotective of me. I know I can take care of myself. I am grown up enough that I could manage everything. I would figure out every fucking thing. I always have. And I have touch black, touch wood. I have a quality that I can make friends very easily. Like I I am very much social and I am comfortable everywhere. But now I'm not comfortable in my own house. I will get comfortable everywhere but not in my house. I don't want to be. It's fixed in my mind that I want to go out. I want to leave my house. I don't know why this is so strong, but it is what it is. That's why I'm making content. You know, I want to escape the reality. Whenever my mind is in content, I get peace. I get clarity. I get something which is like I love. I really feel my parents don't love me. They do. I know somewhere back of the mind, I know they do. That much love is not necessary, to be honest. I know I'm being very much arrogant and selfish, but this was the only thing I wanted from my childhood. I don't know you would understand me or not, but this is the thing that I am absolutely stuck and I just want to fucking move out. I just want to go away. I swear the day I earn my first money, I'm leaving my house. Not like the 5,000 or something. I want a good amount of money so I could leave. I could genuinely leave. I would go to Bangalore, I would go to Bombay, wherever my relatives are, so that my family is okay. That okay, she has gone to another place, but I'm not staying here. I'm not staying here. I hate this fact. And just it's like I'm at a point where no one understands me, no one has to understand me, and it only has to make sense to me. I don't want to understand my parents, I don't want to understand anyone. I just want whatever I want. That's it. That is fixed in my mind, and I'm gonna do it. I don't know what I'm speaking, but will do it no matter what. Clock it. Sorry to be so selfish, but this is what it is, and this is the reality. And I wanted to be real over here. So, yeah, if you think I'm wrong, you can always DM me to explain me. I have made a new Instagram account, always a pasta girly. I will paste it over here. So, yeah, thank you for listening to me, hearing me out, and me being selfish till here. Bye.